Hey, how y'all doing? Cody from Diamondback Firearms. I got the DB Sidekick. All right, and the name says itself. You know, this needs to be your sidekick. All right, it's a 9-shot, 22 and 22 Magnum. You're gonna get the whole crane link, the ejector, the whole assembly to make things a lot easier for you. Basically, just a push button away from pulling the cylinder out and switching it out. You look up here, you may think that's the old ejector from old, remember the load gate and single ejection? Well, now you could either push forward on it, release the cylinder, or you could grab the knurls and pull the cylinder out. Double action, single action, 9-shot, and this is our step in the door with revolvers, so why not do a 22? So this is our first revolver Diamondback's ever made, and we already in the works with some different calibers, different models out there.
And
yeah, man.
make sure.
All right, I'm just recording.
Yes, ma'am. MSRP is for about 1200. Whoa! That's really recent. Nothing. Yeah, it's that following. Yeah, right there. It feels like a slight pinch more than a 22. Not much.
So, quick little safety spiel. I don't know how much Miss Alicia told you, but DBX 5.7, chamber 5.7 by 28. We've got. Just one of these right here.
4 times.
That's pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah, it's fun to shoot. It's lightweight.
It really is.
And like trying to keep it as thin as possible. That way, when the brace is folded, you put it in your backpack and something like that.
Yeah, I like that. Thank you.
Thank you. Has the AR control, fire, dual pistol.